So is the punishment handed out today by a judge fair?
Well, Pam Elliott, 2 News Investigates, was in court for the sentencing, holding those in charge accountable. Pam?
Well, Mark and Katie, when a Greene County grand jury decided he should not be charged with a felony, Trooper Damon was back in a patrol car. But tonight it's unclear if he'll be behind the wheel anytime soon.
I'd like to say sorry to the victims. It was an accident, and I never intended for anybody to get hurt.
Trooper Jacob Damon called what happened August 17th on US 35 an accident. Xenia Municipal Court Judge Michael Murray called it reckless. He fined the trooper $150 plus court costs and suspended his driver's license for 6 months.
His driving was clearly, in this court's opinion, without due regard for the rights of the people that were on that motorcycle. Therefore, the court does make a finding of reckless.
Still, the trooper was facing only a minor misdemeanor, failure to maintain assured clear distance. This is dash cam video of Damon hitting the motorcycle on which Amy and Corey Waldman were riding. I caught up with the couple last week in between doctor's appointments.
He almost killed us. If we weren't smart enough to wear helmets, we would have definitely been dead that night. And all we got was a ticket? I don't get it.
The Waldmans say they haven't worked since the crash. Trooper Damon has been on and off administrative duty. Now he's not sure what he'll be doing.
Truly a trooper without a license, what do you do?
I don't know. Okay.
What about the speeding issue, though? That didn't.
Ma'am, I don't have a comment. Thank you.
Damon wasn't cited for speeding, though the crash report indicates he was driving 81 miles an hour in a 65-mile-per-hour stretch of highway while using his in-car computer. I asked his commander about it following the sentencing.
Okay, could you at least address the fact he was not cited for speeding, and that was...
No, I'm sorry. I'm under direction that everything needs to go through Columbus for our public information office.
So I called Columbus, and I spoke with Lieutenant Ann Ralston of the Ohio State Highway Patrol. She said it would not be normal to issue a speeding ticket in this case, because speeding is addressed in the assured clear distance offense.
So Trooper Damon was treated as anyone would have been under the circumstances.
Right. That's why we worked very closely with the prosecutor's office on this case, presented him the case in its totality.
Damon's attorney Jay Adams said he's confident the judge will give his client driving privileges for work reasons. But late this afternoon, the court said it had yet to receive an application from Adams.
He can now move on and get back to work and have this incident put behind him.
But that's not entirely true. The Ohio State Highway Patrol is still reviewing Trooper Damon's actions with regard to the crash. Now, I spoke with the Waldmans this afternoon, and Corey told me they chose not to attend the sentencing. As far as Trooper Damon's apology in court, he said, quote, he didn't have an opinion on that. Pam Elliott, 2 News Investigates.